Alright guys, back with completing this. This is what it's gonna look like. Of course, now we have to attach this piece. Now, if you're all looking, you can see there's that dark shade. Well, there's the dark shade is on this piece too, of course. Let me just flip this tab up. Alright, so you see the dark shade goes all the way around. Which means that this dark shade has to start this piece is going to start somewhere, and it's going to start right here. Right in the middle. Usually you want to start on the end, but this piece, since it's the way it is, it's going to be started in the middle. And that's no problem, because the middle is actually going to be the easiest spot to find on the piece. Highest point. And, see, now you got that piece attached on. So after attaching this piece on, you're going to look at it, and you're going to notice it goes all the way to the edge of this one. So you're going to have to glue tab, 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 and tab on each end. But let's get the middle first. On each side, of course, we want each of those two tabs that attach to this piece nice and tight. Meaning that there won't be any problems with when we come to put it together. When we come to put this piece, attach the piece right here, tab to that. Then we move our way one way. Alright, so like it's showing, getting a little bit harder to mess with the glue. It's alright, because you're almost done with this piece. This is part 1, by the way, so out of how many other parts there are going to be, unknown parts, because I'm going to split up a few parts into a few parts. Like, next part we're going to do is the head. It's the next part on the list. But truly, in the template, it shows body all as one, and this is a part of the body. But since we all know that we're not gonna have that a super long. See, that's a lot of glue for it. So sometimes you could just tab. Alright, put some on here. Lay it. Alright, I usually do a little air dry like that, like so. Also guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. If you're new, put a thumbs up. If we could get 3 thumbs up, let's go for 10 likes. Hit the like button. If we could get 10 likes on this video, I would be gratefully appreciated. You pressing that like button and hitting that subscribe if you're new. There'll be more parts to this papercraft tutorial. Matter of fact, this will be the landours papercraft tutorial. I may show you guys how to make a Pokédex or something else. Now this is just a Pokemon themed tutorial for papercraft. Not all papercrafts are going to be Pokemon. And I'll definitely do different papercrafts. If you want a list, then leave in the comments an idea for a papercraft. I'll search for it, and I'll make it happen. I'll make it happen. I promise that. That I can promise. I'll make this happen. This will be the best paper craft. I'll make all the paper craft ideas that come in on comments. I'll try them, and I'll make videos of them. So you guys understand, me trying this, it's not hard, it's not complex, but truly, I'd like to do a little bit of a good fun. It's good, it's fun. This one's gonna be, this is, like I am recommending, don't do this as your first one. If you're new, this is just a tutorial on how to do one. This is a hard level. This is level ranked is hard. So, if you're a new person and you're trying, I'll give you, and you want to do a Pokemon, there is a site that does it. And I'll put that in the description. And they should, if you look on it, it should say, alright, it'll be this, it's this level. Alright, so that's gonna be a little too hard for me, I'm just beginning, alright. Level easy, alright, I'll try this one. It's all you have to do. Download it, it'll be an RAR, convert it, which, actually, I'll show you guys how to do in the next video, So, don't worry, like always, I'm almost finished, so just gonna do my last two tabs with the swipe of the glue. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering, well, that's a lot of glue left in there. You're not gonna waste that, are you? No, I'm not. Okay, so we got the hair. The hair is completed. And I'll show you what to do with the leftover glue that you have. Alright, so you get your glue bottle. Unscrew the top. Place the top down. Now usually you want to hold something because you're going to have to hold both of these. But alright, so there. Alright, so now I'm just going to start scraping and placing like that. Scrape, place. Get as much of the glue out as you can. Even the crevices, you want as much as that glue not to dry in there, because getting it out, that way you could reuse this glue. Just like so. Then you put your cap back on. And you're done. We're done with part 1. So guys, this was interesting, this was fun. And truly, I had enjoyment to do this. Leave a like in the comment. Put a thumbs up, like it, subscribe if you're new, and give me some more ideas. I'd like to get some ideas done from you guys. It seems like it'll be a fun craft to do. I love doing this stuff. Like I said, #1 rule is patience. You always have to have that patience. People don't understand that, but it is true. Patience is a virtue. But other than that, this was really fun, and I truly do thank you guys for watching, subscribing, and putting a like. 10 likes.